Hello everybody, just a real quick update on my bookcase here. I've got all my items lit up. I'll come back when the lights are off and look at it again. I've got my twin towers temporarily in place. I'm in the process of working on my light on the antenna, which looks pretty darn good. Might like it to fade out just a little slower, but it does fade out because it's an incandescent lamp. Zoom right in on it. That is nice. I like that. I've got a project box coming to put all the circuitry in. It's just sitting there loose at the moment. We'll come on back out. Let's turn the lights off and have a look at it. And here it is with the lights off. Very nice. And to look at it from across the room. Very happy with the look of that. So once again, just a real quick update on my bookcase. Thank you for watching.